Hi folks, it's me, China Guitar Sceptic, and I'm back to do the sound test of the Bad Cat guitar. I was going to do this video live, but there weren't enough people that spotted my flash frame on the previous video. So maybe with the Explorer coming really soon, in fact it's tracked and in the UK customs, perhaps we can do it on that video instead. I just want to clarify a couple of things. I didn't order this Bad Cat guitar. It was sent to me, and it was sent free of charge, and it was manufactured to a design and an idea that I'd shown Jason. And I think he was just very kind. So the least I could do was unbox it and do this sound test on it to give you an opportunity to see what Jason feels he's now capable of. I've not looked at the pickups or anything else on this guitar. All I've done is change the high E string, which I broke tuning it, and raised the pickups because they came so low that they really weren't putting any output out at all. However, I will do a follow-on video very shortly with a deconstruction of the guitar showing you all the insides and electronics and all that good stuff. But now, let's get straight on with the sound test you've come to see. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the micro switch, which is a 3-position switch. It's kill, closest to the bridge, the middle position is humbucking, and away from the bridge is single coil. Yeah, so I think that's a really useful switch, and along with the 2 volumes, one for each pickup and the tone, it makes the sound options really versatile. So let's go and have a listen to the direct sound. I know that a lot of people like to hear what it sounds like plugged straight into the sound desk. So here's that for you. I don't know what you think, folks. Why don't you let me know? Personally, I think that the direct sound isn't too bad at all. I think it's quite clear, and there's pretty good definition in the pickups. Let's go and listen now to the clean sounds through the orange Tiny Terror. I think that the single coil sounds are a little bit thin, but they do seem to work quite well for that funky rhythmic sound. The humbuckers, on the other hand, are quite overkill. Unfortunately, there's not a midpoint balance between the single coil sound and the humbucker, so I've had to raise it up and work on the humbucker output. I don't think there's a balance between the humbucker and single coils to make it that usable, and certainly even between the bridge and the neck pickup. I think that the switch, the three-way little mini toggle switch, colours the sound in some way in which it's been wired up, but we'll have a look at that on the next video. Let me know what you think. Okay, next, I haven't gone for a distortion sound, but this final sound test is just to get the dirty crunch type sound, again through the orange Tiny Terror. Let me know what you think of that tone in the comments down below, folks. Personally, I find the bridge humbucker just a little bit nasal, and I think that's got to do with the mini toggle switch again. I think the neck pickup is nice and fat, but it is a little bit muddy and muffled. It isn't very clear. It lacks the sparkle and clarity to go with that nice fat, thick tone. I really like the versatility of the middle pickup, and the 2 volumes and tone, along with the mini toggle switch, make that position really versatile for getting a huge range of sounds without actually switching away from that middle position on the main selector. But again, let me know what you think, folks. Well, there you go, folks, and I hope you've enjoyed this sound test video of the Love Pup, and I hope it's given you an idea of the colour and sound of this guitar. It's, for my liking, Not a fantastic sound. I think that with a better set of pickups in it, it would sound great. I love the options in terms of the mini toggle and the main three-way switch. And I love the middle position versatility on all three sounds, direct, clean, and dirty tone. But again, let me know what you think in the comments, folks, and I'll be back really soon with that teardown video showing you the insides out. Take care.